Hi guys, this is my second week back at the gym, so here we are.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy. Your body's made, your body's made. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.
tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call. And
Right guys, so from last week to this week, there's not been that much in terms of changes. Obviously my strength's improved and it's made quite a considerable jump, but it's as to be expected as I'm just getting back to lifting weights again, so I'm still resensitizing to that stimulus. So I'm expecting to see more of a considerable jump for the next few weeks, and after that I'm expecting it to taper off and go back to how it was before. In terms of my physique, it looks like I've actually added some more muscle, but that's probably just building back the muscle I lost during quarantine. Now I'm actually using weights that can actually give me some sort of progression in terms of resistance or overload. So I'm not surprised on that. I actually am starting to find it fun to see what I'm looking like as I keep gaining back that muscle, because I'm not really gaining fat, so it's actually nice to have that stimulus, which is also then making me like develop, or recomp as I actually go through this month. So I'm actually quite happy with that. In terms of DOMS, it's getting a lot easier to deal with, so the delayed onset muscle soreness is coming on, but it's a lot less than the first week, but that's to be expected because generally the first week or so having delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS, is the worst one. After that you sort of get more and more used to it, so that's nice. In terms of calluses, they're actually started to come back in, so on my hands you'll see calluses start to form again, so I don't have calluses or hands like a smooth silk, but I have them actually like someone who actually lifts weights, so that's also a nice thing, because it's always worse the first few weeks from coming in. After that you just get used to them and it actually makes it easier to grip things, so that's good. And finally, in terms of cardio, it's just something I've noticed is cardio for the past 2 weeks has been a lot easier than before quarantine, but that's probably because I'm not as fat as I was, so that's always a good thing. Anyways guys, if you've enjoyed this video, can you do me a favour and smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already so you never miss another video, as long as you ring that notification bell, share this with your friends and family, and most importantly, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.
we are